Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack newsletter. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you find the QR code for your Substack newsletter? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get a QR code to your Substack newsletter anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing live streaming, you know that driving your viewers into your newsletter is an important part of your business. And by having a QR code, it makes it easy for them to go ahead and just scan it and it brings them right to your newsletter. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack publisher dashboard. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get a QR code for your Substack newsletter, here on the top, you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click here on branding. Once you click on branding, you want to look for this line right here, code. You can see there's an image of my QR code right there. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the download button. Now you can save it as a PNG or an SVG. For me, I'm going to do a PNG. Okay, now you can see it downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is an image of my QR code. Now, anybody who scans this particular image would be brought directly to my newsletter. Now you can go ahead and print this out, especially if you're going to be doing live streaming. You can print it out and maybe post it next to you. Or if you have a physical location, like maybe a restaurant, you might want to go ahead and post this QR code. That way your customers can easily just scan and then be in touch with your newsletter. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to get a QR code for your Substack newsletter, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.